On the banks of the famous lake in Switzerland, Lake Brienz, lies a small but picturesque village called Iseltwald. Iseltwald is the only village on the left bank of Lake Brienz, and it's rightly called the Pearl of Lake Brienz. The location of this village is extremely stunning with breathtaking views. From peaceful fishing bay to the highest mountain peaks, you will find everything. The entire village of Iseltwald is designated as part of the inventory of Swiss heritage sites. The beautiful houses standing on bright green meadows with turquoise-colored lake right in front is view from a fantasy movie. With only around 420 inhabitants, the small, pretty fishing village is flocked by tourists all year around. A wooden boat ramp on the lake is quickly turned into a photo point for tourists. If you board the river cruise in Interlaken, this village is one of the stops where you can get off board for a quick stroll. The river cruise is an amazing experience that should not be missed. If you ever visit Interlaken, do not miss to visit this beautiful village. Join us as we take you on a journey to different parts of the world. Subscribe now.